Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add an RFID card to your Android phone. Before we begin, make sure that your Android phone supports NFC. Most modern Android devices include this feature. Also, have your RFID card ready so you can scan it during the process. The first step is to download a reliable RFID or NFC scanning application. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for NFC tools. Once you find the app, install it and wait for the installation to complete. After the app is installed, open it on your device. On the main screen, you will see several options. Tap on the Read option to start scanning your RFID card. Now, take your RFID card and place it flat against the back of your Android phone. The NFC sensor is usually located near the center or upper part of the phone's back panel. Keep the card steady for a few seconds while the phone reads the information stored on the tag. If the card is compatible and detected successfully, the app will display information about the tag. Look for the serial number or UID. This is the unique identification number assigned to your RFID card. Next, copy the UID shown on the screen. You can either use the copy function inside the app or manually write down the number. Once copied, open the app, website, or portal that requires your RFID card information and paste or enter the UID into the appropriate field. After saving the information, your RFID card number should be successfully registered within the system. Thanks for watching.